Children, up to now, we have learned about the division in long division method. So now, the next topic is division of a two-digit number by a one-digit number. So how to divide a two-digit number by a one-digit number? So let us see an example. So here is the example. Divide 24 by 2. So children, here 24 is a two-digit number. Here in 24 there are two digits. So 24 is a two-digit number and 2 is a one-digit number. Children, so here 24 is a two-digit number. So 24 is a two-digit number and whereas 2 is a one-digit number. So 2 is a one-digit number. So now children, let us see how to divide a two-digit number by a one-digit number. So first convert this sentence by using the symbol divided. First we have to convert this sentence, that is divide 24 by 2. How can we convert this into division? So first convert this sentence into division by using the symbol divided by. That means 24 divided by 2. So this is the conversion. So first we have to convert the sentence into division. So now the same process. Already we have practiced some problems. How to arrange these two numbers in division. Here the first number in the division is called, what is the first number called? So the first number 24 is called dividend. So children, so the 24 is called dividend. And what is the second number called? What is the second number here? The second number is 2. So the second number is called divisor. So now arrange these numbers in the division method. How to arrange? So first write the dividend at the middle. So what is the dividend? 24. So first write 24 at the middle. And put a bracket at its left side. So now put your bracket at its left side. What we have to write in the left bracket? We have to write the divisor in the left bracket. What is the divisor here? 2. So write 2 in the left side bracket. Now draw a line above the dividend. What we have to write in this line? So we have to write quotient on this line. So children, so now let us start a division. Already we have practiced in the previous one how to do divisions. So next, so children, what is the first step here? We have to find how many times, that means when did the number 24 comes in the second table? When did the number 24 comes? So we have learned all the tables up to 10 only, 10 times only. That means 2 tens are, children, how much 2 tens are? So 2 tens are 20. So 2 tens are 20. We have learned all the tables up to 20 only. And 2 tens are 20, but they have given 24, which is more than 20. That means 10 times more than. So the given number is more than 10 times. So what we have to do here? So if the given number is more than the 10 times number, then we have to take each digit separately. Now start the division. So we have to start the division by taking each digit separately. So first take first digit. What is the first digit here? 2. So children, do you understand here? So if the given dividend is more than 10 times, so here 2 tens are 20. Here we have got only 20. But they have given 24, which is more than 10 times. So if the given number is more than 10 times, then we have to start division by taking each digit separately. So first take the first digit. What is the first digit here? 2. So what is the first digit here? 2. So now let us find. So when did the number 2 comes in the second table? When did the number 2 comes in the second table? That is 2 ones are, how much children? 2 ones are 2. Yes. If we take one time, we will get the number 2. How many times we have to take? One time. So write this one in the quotient on the line above the dividend. So write this one in the quotient above the dividend. So we have taken one time. That is, now multiply these two. 2 into 1. That is 2 ones are 2. So write the product below the first digit only. Below the first digit only. Now subtract these two digits. That is 2 minus 2. Children, how much 2 minus 2? 2 minus 2? 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now take the second digit. The first digit is completed. Now take the second digit. What is the second digit here? 4. So bring down the second digit. So now bring down the second digit. That is bring down 4. So now let us find when did the number 4 comes in the second table. When did the number 4 comes in the second table? So let us write the second table. That is 2 ones are 2. If you take one time, we will get 2. Now take 2 times. That is 2 twos are. Children, how much 2 twos are? 2 twos are 4. Yes, we have got the number 4. We have got the number 4. How many times we have taken? We have taken 2 times. We have taken 2 times. So write 2 in the quotient beside 1. So write the 2 in the quotient beside 2. And now multiply 2 into 2. That is 2 twos are 4. So write the product below the 4. That means now subtract 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4. Children, how much 4 minus 4? 0. So 4 minus 4, 0. The division is completed. So what is the answer? The answer is quotient. What is the quotient here? 12. 12 is the quotient. So the answer is 12. So in this way, we can divide a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So children, so this is the process, and now we can practice some more problems on this topic. Children, so let us practice some more problems on division of 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. So let us see. So children, look at the board. There are some divisions are given here. So let us see the first division. So in the first division, what is the divisor? 2 is the divisor. What is the dividend here? The dividend is 28. So now children, the same process we have to continue. That is, first we have to find how many times. That means, when did the number 28 comes in second table? So when did the number 28 comes in the second table? So we have learned all the tables up to 10 times only. If you take 10 times 2, that is 2 into 10. If you take 10 times, that is 2 times 10. That is 2 tens are 20. And but the given number is 28 and it is greater than 10 times. And it is greater than 20. So now if the given number is greater than 10 times the given number, then we have to start division by taking each digit separately. So now take each digit. So let us take the first digit in the given dividend. What is the first digit in the dividend? So 2 is the first digit in the dividend. So now, so let us find when did the number 2 comes in the second table. When did the number 2 comes in the second table? That means how many times we have to take. That is, if you take one time, that is 2 ones are. Children, how much 2 ones are? 2 ones are 2. Yes, we have got the number 2. How many times we have taken? So one time. So 1 times 2 is 2. We have taken one time. So write 1 in the quotient on the line above the dividend. So write 1 in the quotient. And now multiply these 2. That is 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. So write 2 below the first digit only, not below the second digit. So write the product below the first digit and subtract the 2 digits. That is 2 minus 2. 0. How much? 2 minus 2? 0. 2 minus 2? 0. So write 0 below the first digit. Now go to second digit. What is the second digit here? 8. So let us bring down the second digit. So now bring down the second digit. So 8 is there. So bring down 8. So now let us see again. When did the number 8 comes in the second table? When did the number 8 comes in the second table? That means how many times you have to take in the second table to get 8. So let us continue the table. If you take 2 times, 2 2s are 4. And if you take 3 times, 2 3s are 6. Now take 4 times, that is 2 4s are, children, how much 2 4s are? 2 4s are 8. Yes, we have finally got the number 8. How many times we have taken here? 4 times we have taken. That is 4 times 2 is 8. So write 4 in the quotient beside the 1. So write the 4 in the quotient beside the 1. Now multiply these two. That is 2 into 4. 2 4s are 8. Write the product below the second digit. And subtract. Children, how much 8 minus 8? 8 minus 8? 0. So 8 minus 8, 0. And now division is completed. And there are no more places and there are no more digits in the dividend. So the division is complete. What is the answer here? The answer is the quotient 14. The answer is 14. So children, see the second division. So here, what is the divisor? 4 is the divisor. What is the dividend here? 48 is the dividend. So now, let us find when did the number 48 comes in the fourth table. When did the number 48 comes in the fourth table? So all the tables we have learnt up to 10 times only. That is 4 tens are, so children, how much 4 tens are? 40. But they have given 48. So if the given dividend is more than, if the given dividend is greater than 10 times the number, so then we have to start division by taking each digit separately. So let us start, that is, let us take the first digit. What is the first digit here? 4. So now take 4 and let us find when did the number 4 comes in the fourth table. When did the number 4 comes in the fourth table? So let us recall the fourth table from the ones place, that is 4 ones are, how much are 4 ones are? 4 ones are 4. We have got the number 4. How many times we have taken? We have taken 1 time. The 1 times 4 is 4. So write this 1 in the quotient on the line above the dividend. So write the 1 in the quotient. Now multiply these two. 4 into 1, that is 4 ones are 4. So write that 4 below the first digit only. And now subtract. That is 4 minus 4, 0. How much? 4 minus 4? 0. And now there is another digit. What is the second digit here? 8. So bring down the second digit. So what is the second digit? 8. So bring down 8. So now let us find when did the number 8 comes in the fourth table. So let us see. Continue this table. That is, now take 2 times 4 2s are 8. Yes, we got the number 8. How many times? 2 times. So 2 times 4 is 8. So write 2 in the quotient beside 1. Beside 1. Now multiply 4 and 2. That is 4 into 2. 4 2s are 8. So write the product below the second digit and subtract. That is 8 minus 8. Children, how much 8 minus 8? 8 minus 8? 0. 8 minus 8? 0. So division is completed and there are no more digits after 48. So what is the answer here? The answer is the quotient. What is the quotient? 12. So the answer is 12. And go to the third problem.